The state health department has a serious warning for Bernalillo County residents. It has seen a significant increase in whooping cough cases recently, especially in schools. Action 7 News reporter Will Carr spoke to APS and state officials. He joins us with that story.
Shelley, letters have gone out to some APS schools already this week, but we're told that it's not just parents that should be concerned, that this disease could really affect anybody and is spreading rapidly. They're not calling it an epidemic, but health officials tell Action 7 News that cases of pertussis, known as whooping cough, are on the rise, enough to cause concern.
Really bad news because my son has asthma, so if that's going on in his school, so that means he's going to get affected right away.
Milady Ontiveros has a son in 7th grade at Harrison Middle School, one of the schools the health department is investigating. At another Barcelona elementary, letters like this have just been sent home to parents warning that children and staff may have been exposed. Whooping cough has also been linked to Children's Garden, Atrisco Heritage Academy High School, Eastern Hills Christian Academy, Harrison Middle, and Rio Grande Christian Academy.
Can you imagine if all the kids will get that disease? So it will be really bad.
Whooping cough starts with typical cold symptoms, but progresses into uncontrollable coughing, often making whooping sounds. It's highly contagious, making schools especially vulnerable.
But it's certainly not the only environment where it's spread. It's spreading in families that have a lot of close contact with one another and extended family members.
During an average year, the health department sees around 35 cases of whooping cough in Bernalillo County. But this year, the number has already spiked to 87, with many of the cases reported in the last 2 months. The health department tells us there's been 144 cases throughout the state. Now, we did reach out to APS for a comment. Initially, the communications director told us that they couldn't comment on this. She did contact us later on and said they're working closely with the health department. Reporting live downtown, Will Carr, KOAT Action 7 News.
The best way to protect yourself is to get a vaccine and see your doctor if you have a cough that lasts for more than 2 weeks.